Hey, help him. Help him. Hey, can you help him? Bud, hey, can you hear me? Daniel. You gotta help him. Somebody. Okay, let's go. Listen to I don't know what's happening. I mean, it's like he's sitting there all by himself. How much do you have to drink? You don't know? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you do a series of tests, okay? So what I'm asking you to do is I want you to go ahead and take your left foot, put it on this line right here. Okay, take your right foot, put it in front of there. Put it right in front of your toe.
I just got a call.
Take your hands, put them to the side just like so. What I want you to do is take 9 steps, heel to toe, on this line. Once you've done that, on the 9th step, I want you to turn around and do another 9 heel to toe steps as well, right? Go ahead. You tell me.
What happened?
If you think it's 9, go ahead and turn around. Do it over.
Yeah. I don't know. They're not helping him, and he wouldn't say anything to me.
No.
Move over. What I want you to do is I want you to just take your hands, put them on your side just like this, and I want you to stay, okay? Don't move your head. Just follow with your eyes, okay? Okay, stand right now. Turn around right there. Okay? Keep your head still.
No, I don't know whose car that is. I don't know.
Okay. Keep standing up. Keep your head still.
Is he gonna be all right? Is he gonna be okay?
Keep your head still.
Daniel, but Daniel.
Okay, next step I want you to do is go to one leg stand.
You gotta wake
just
up.
go ahead and keep your hands just the way you have it, just like this. What I want you to do is I want you to take your choice of whichever foot you want to use. I want you to raise it 6 inches off.
You gotta hurry up.
Okay?
Hey,
while you're doing
get
that,
somebody
I
to
want
help
you to make sure that you're
someone's gotta help him right now.
until I
gotta
stop.
help
You
him.
understand? Okay, go ahead and start.
He needs help right now.
Keep going. Okay. Good stop. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions while we're done.